love. From the moment I met you, I knew you were the one. Today, I chose to be with you forever. I now have a forever driving instructor, travel partner, and someone to joke with. I promise to always protect you, cherish you, and I vow to make you smile forever. Sherry, I just love you with all my heart.
Peter, we learned that we have many things in common, from attending the same college, go Slugs, having mutual friends, and our sister being nurses. Peter, thank you for being supportive during my difficult times when I couldn't see the light at the end of the tunnel. Also, thank you for being a great cook, even though you said you cannot cook. I'm so glad to have found someone who compliments me and love our dog, Taz. I promise to try my best to support you during the difficult times, yet celebrate your victories. Taz and I cannot wait to grow with you and to build a future together. Love you, and now let our adventure begin.
Before family and friends, you have promised to share your love on days that are summer sweet and full of 1,000 dreams, and have promised to share your love on days when thunder and rain may come dashing against your hopes. Peter and Sherry, the union of your hearts, we recognize in marriage, joining you as husband and as wife. From this day forward, Peter, you may kiss your bride.
Hold my hand, everything will be okay. I heard from the heavens that clouds have been gray. Pull me close, wrap me in your aching arms. I see that you're hurting, why'd you take so long to tell me you need me? I see that you're bleeding, you don't need to show me again. But if you decide to, I'll ride in this life with you. I won't let go till the end. So cry tonight, but don't you let go of my hand. You can cry every last tear. I won't leave till I understand. Promise me, just hold my hand. Raise your head, look into my wishful eyes. That fear that's inside you will lift, give it time. I can see everything you're blind to now. Your prayers will be answered. Let God whisper how to tell me you need me. I see that you're bleeding. You don't need to show me again. But if you decide to, I'll ride in this life with you. I won't let go till the end. So cry tonight,
Would you dance if I asked you to dance? Would you run and never look back? Would you cry if you saw me crying? Would you save my soul tonight? And would you tremble if I touch your lips? Would you laugh? Oh, please tell me this. No, would you die for the one you love? Hold me in your arms tonight. I can be your hero, baby. Oh yeah, I can kiss away the pain, and I will stand by you forever. Oh, you can't take my breath away. Oh, you can't take my breath away.